gonna guess probably LS swap.
Yeah.
Wow, very cool. Boy, that's shoehorned in there.
Everyone always says the same thing.
Was it not? Was it not, I mean, easier to put in there than I think it was?
A little bit of cut, a little bit of welding, it wasn't too bad.
Yeah. Wow. That's what I just said.
Yeah. Got a four-door end in it, a Magnum F transmission.
What transmission?
Tremec Magnum F.
Ah, so.
With a sequential shifter on it.
Oh, cool.
You say it's a 6-liter LS?
Yeah.
Wow. But that's it.
That's a header up there. Well, it's a Lotus, really. It's Lotus underneath? Yeah. It's like one over there. It looks like a lot of fun to drive. Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
No, I'm sure.
Super light. Well, this one looks like it weighs less than that one, but it's about. I haven't looked at that one. It's maybe 1,500 pounds. Yeah, this maybe 1,100.
Really? It's that?
1,100?
What'd you say, 1,100?
Yeah, about 1,100.
Wow.
Yeah, there's nothing to it.
What kind of power plant's in it?
It's a Ford Duratec.
Oh, okay.
2-liter.
2-liter. Well, at 1,100 pounds, you don't need
Yeah,
you don't need a whole lot.
No. Yeah, I know. My Corvette is about 4,100. Yeah.
This is cool. Little 2-seat roadster, kind of Lotus inspired. Got carbon fiber fenders on it. Cool little car. Very cool. But that's an interesting drive.
You look at the camera or you?
It doesn't matter.
All right, so my name is Preston. This is my 2020 Tesla Model 3. Obviously, I've done a lot to it. The first thing we have is my air suspension. I wrapped the air tank, obviously like an Energizer battery, have the 2 compressors feeding it.
Very cool idea.
That's how I get so low. I have Vossen HF5s on, slotted rotors. I'm waiting to do a big brake upgrade. That'll be one of the next things I do. I have the carbon fiber front lip, carbon fiber side skirts.
So make sure I can hear you.
Yep, carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber diffuser, and I have a bunch of carbon fiber on the interior as well.
Oh, okay. Now the airbag system for this, do they make? I've seen a few.
Yes, yes.
So they do make a bag system for this car.
Airlift just came out with their
Okay, I was wondering.
Yes, so right now it's universal air, airlift, and then D2.
Right. Very
and
cool.
Airlift for the management system.
Awesome. All right, Preston. Thank you, man. I appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
I think we saw the Supra at Bradenton Motorsports Park this week. Got a turbocharged 2JZ in it.
Gonna be all over 15, 20 pounds. Yeah,
Yeah, but it's a long way.
yeah, but it's also
So, the Supercharged is also in the front. So those run to the car and also repurpose those for
Yeah, because right now, that little reservoir there is where it's going to the heat exchanger. So we could just mount it, so you can mount a water to air intercooler there.
Those are your stock control arms from your cobalt on it.
No, so that
aftermarket, yeah.
is, so, oh yeah, oh, the
Well,
control- yeah.
they're
Yeah.
new OEM.
The new
Well,
OEM.
yeah, it's a-
But they're stock, yes.
They tried to use as much as they could, I guess, from the cobalt as possible.
Yeah, if you really
Save
want to be
money,
cheap,
yeah.
the base kit for this whole Goblin kit's like $9 grand. And if you really want to be cheap, you can use stock cobalt seats, stock steering wheel, stock. But what's nice is the company that makes this DF, like on their website, they sell everything in packages. So you can buy a seat package from them.
I saw it on Goon Squad. They built one.
Yeah.
And they went through all the packages and everything. It's a cheap little scooter to go. That's a go-kart. They're quick.
Is this yours, sir? This?
Oh yeah, it's
Kinda?
Yeah. We built it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about it.
So it's
I
a
paid for it.
And he built it?
Cars. They all built
There
it.
you go.
Yeah. So it's a DF Goblin. We used a 06 Chevy Cobalt SS
Oh,
as
okay.
a donor car.
I had one of those. That's cool.
Yep. So it had about 180,000 miles on it. We drove it from I think like Pinellas to home, ripped it around a couple times, made sure it was straight, and took it in the garage and tore it down. And then the frame took a couple months to get in. We got it powder coated and then just kind of all bolted together.
So it's a Goblin frame, you said?
Yeah, it's called DF Goblin.
DF Goblin?
Yep.
Okay. And it uses obviously cobalt running gear, motor.
Yeah, motor trans, subframe, electronics, brake booster, pedals. I mean, the hood hides a lot of all that up under there. So
Right.
it wasn't terrible to put together.
Very cool.
Yeah.
I mean, I need to update
It's
this
interesting.
number because put a new starter in it, new alternators because I just wanted.
Really pretty Lambo here. The red drop top Recaro seats. I believe this is a Huracan. Don't quote me on that, but I believe it is. Sweet looking car. Very nice ride. Love the color. I'm a big red fan myself, so. Clean here, Dodge Viper. The old Viper V10. Always kind of an interesting car. Next to a really pretty colored Ferrari here, kind of a silvery blue. This is a pretty car too. A lot of them here are obviously, but you know, some colors just kind of jump out at you. And this is one of them, although I'm a red guy, but this is cool.
Like for her, it's not as bad because you can kind of like hold it and screw it in. Probably have to have it on. For me, I open it and then kind of just like toss yourself into it.
I like the orange interior, the orange accents with the black. Very cool. Before you walk off real quick, what make and or model and year is this?
Oh, I have no idea. This one.
Oh, I thought it was yours.
No,
I'm sorry the way you're saying
Ferrari's mine.
Oh, well, that's good. Let me tell me about that one.
That one's a 2003 Ferrari 360.
360. I love that color.
Thanks.
I'm a red guy, but that blue that's pretty.
Everyone, you know, I've never seen that color on a Ferrari before.
Yeah.
Most people haven't, so it makes it a little bit more unique. I
It
don't know
is.
that it's rare or anything like that. It's
Right.
just different.
Yeah. Yeah, I was definitely drawn to it just because of the color, especially sitting next to the red Vipers.
Right.
All right, great. Thank you. I appreciate it. Obviously, a racer, big turbo. Guess the front has the front clip in it. Full cage and everything in it. Yeah, no time car. Got a no time sticker on the window. And you gotta love a street car coming to a car show with a parachute. Very cool. That's awesome. This is really cool. I think we just shot this at the Bay Life Church show that we just went to a couple weeks ago. But this is cool. Cool patina. Really unique. It's got the bed, truck bed with the fold down sides. Love the sticker. Hopefully you can read that. I think we shot the video of this at the Bay Life Church.
Oh yeah, I was
Yeah,
there.
we were just over there. What year is it? Tell me a little bit about it.
67.
67?
1967. Had it for about 5 years.
Okay.
Me and my grandson, we're always working on it. It's always an
cool.
ongoing project, but
I've seen a few of these. What do they call
this one is called a single cab.
a single cab?
Volkswagen made them like that. There's also one that's a double cab.
Right.
Obviously, and it has more room.
Yeah.
But this is the last year of the split window buses.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. After this, it was all bay windows, which was a single window.
Right, right.
Yeah.
But the truck bed and sides and all, that's
Correct.
That's
Volkswagen
That's
original.
Volkswagen.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they
I was
made
gonna
them
say
like
I've seen
that.
other ones. Sure.
This one used to be came from Europe. It used to have a bucket mechanism. It used to have a bucket in the back
Oh, really?
to fix light poles and stuff.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So the guy I bought it from, he kept that. You know, he's a collector, and
Yeah.
I bought the rest from him.
Oh, okay.
So they use them. It was part of a fleet.
Right.
The truck was part of
Right.
a fleet.
Where did they come from? Do you know? Where
This one came from Deutschland.
okay.
Yeah,
So it was-
German. Yeah.
Interesting.
Here's the other three.
Yeah, I just noticed. I like the roll out back window.
Yeah.
The fold out back window. That's cool.
It was
Yeah.
hard to find that one. Actually,
Oh.
there was a guy in Brazil that actually.
Really?
That was the only guy who was able to find it.
Wow.
Because the earlier ones had a smaller back window.
Yeah.
And you could find
So
it.
you've obviously done a lot of work on it to get it to this
I have,
to
yeah.
get it to this point.
Yeah,
so.
it's a different engine. The Porsche wheels, the brakes,
Yeah, yeah.
suspension, everything mechanical is very sound.
Very cool.
Oh no, I didn't.
Yeah, I like the kind of the patina paint and everything. Yeah,
I
it's cool.
kept that. Ran out of money.
that's the one
You know,
It's all good.
that's the thing. You know, that's the thing nowadays. You all right, cool. I appreciate it.
All right, you take
Thank
care.
you. Again, because I love red, I really dig this this McLaren. I dig this McLaren. Very cool. Kind of a metallic red and black. I love the red color. That's my favorite color. So. Just love the body. Well, old school Lotus.
Yeah. Crazy story. I didn't even know until I started researching to buying it. The story behind it. They were broke and they're like, oh, sign up to be a dealer, kind of thing. It's always been my dream car. And I was like, I'm just gonna get one. So I found one online somewhere. Minnesota, actually. Huh? No, it was on it's just some classic car brokerage.
Oh, okay.
It was kind of weird. It was like an oddball. I mean, most of the guys that online that they do consignments were American kind of cars. Very good. It's in really good shape.
Are you part of Velocity's club?
I'm not. No, I know Andre.
Okay.
Really well. I work with him.
Okay.
So yeah, I just haven't signed up.
Who's Andre? Who's Andre?
Well, Andre's the guy that kind of runs the show. He's
Yeah, I
the one that's
figured
put this together. He's part of the Lotus of Tampa club, I guess.
Yeah.
He's been doing this and he used to be at World of Beer
Oh, cool.
years and years ago.
What year is this, sir?
83.
83. Very cool.
Thank you.
It's been a long time since I've seen one of these.
Yeah, they're kind of oddballs.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So it's an 83 Lotus. It's in really good condition too. Wow. Pretty looking Chevelle. Lady driver. Let's see if we can get a talk with them. Again, because I love red, I really dig this this McLaren. I dig this McLaren, very cool. Kind of a metallic red and black. I love the red color. That's my favorite color, so. Just love the body.
Living notorious. Other opposition left for dust. But he's running out of friends to trust. That's why he's careful overtaking us. Cause in the fast lane, they living notorious.